Do you want to know how you can log in to your nationwide mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your nationwide mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Nationwide Mortgage Login. Tap on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Nationwide. Now you can see that this is a login page. So if you scroll down and see login to Mortgage Manager, click on it. Now there are three options. Either you can log in with the banking app with the internet bank, or you can log in with your website as well. So go ahead and choose banking app, and then it will take you to this page where you can download the banking app. If you want to log in with your internet bank, go ahead and click login. Write down your customer number, your date of birth, press continue, and the next step is write down your username or user ID, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log in or sign in to your nationwide mortgage account. If you still don't have an account yet, go ahead and click register now and you can create a nationwide mortgage account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your nationwide mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.